Damn it! We're trapped!
The bomb will explode in 20 seconds. What can we do, Marco Bird?
Everybody stay calm. We're gonna make it out of here. Just do exactly as I said. Casey, give me the paperclip.
Got it.
Jojo, the coin. I'm on it. Casey, give me the gun paper.
Right here.
Jojo, the daughter. What? The daughter right by your foot. I don't want to daughter.
10 seconds.
You heard it, Jojo. Give me the daughter. No, why we need the daughter? This is my business, not pick out the daughter.
Just give him a daughter.
You give me the daughter. Yeah, Cassie, give me the daughter.
No, I can't. I keep in count. 3 seconds.
Fine, I'll get the daughter. I just hope I have enough.